Good day once again, grade 10s. So I am back now. We're going to factorize trinomials. So let's read what that is. A quadratic trinomial is a trinomial in which the highest exponent in the variable is 2. Mostly when you see a picture like this, just know that it is a trinomial. Do you understand? So yeah. And then from there, I'm just going to explain the notes the best possible way I can for you. So there are two things that I need you to know. If, let me write here, if last term is positive, then you will have brackets of the same sign. Sign of the middle term. That's what I want you to know. So for an example, in example 21, number A, I'm having x squared plus 5x. The last term, it's plus. All right. So if the last term is positive, it means I'm going to have two brackets of the same sign, but I take the sign of the middle. So if it's a plus, I'm going to have plus and then plus. Then if there's no number here, it's easy. We just go straight. Let me just delete what I just made there. Good. So we look for factors. X squared ke x le x. 6 ke 6 le 1 ke 3 le 2. Now we want those because every number will be positive, so this will be positive. I want a combination where if I add them up, I get 5. This one, the first one gives me 7, so I'm not going to take those. The second one gives me 5, so those are the factors. So it means bracket 1 will be this one, bracket 2 will be this one. So it means I'm going to have here x plus, sorry, you already wrote the plus, x plus 3, and then x plus 2. So these are the factors that are going to work for that sum. Are we clear on that one? Let's try number B. Number B, I'm having x squared minus 9x plus 8. Remember, the last term is positive, so it means your bracket will have signs that are the same, so it will be both minus. We take the sign of the middle term. Are we fine with that one? Now, this will be x factors of 8. It's 8 and 1. It's 4 and 2. It's 8 and 1. It's 4 and 2. I think that's all we have. Now, I'm looking for factors that when I subtract them, because both of my brackets will be minus, so it means these people will be taking minus. So which combination gives me minus 9? Obviously, it's this combination. Are we clear? So it means it will be x minus 8 and x minus 1. So here I will have x minus 8, x minus 1. So if the last term it's a positive, it's easy because we just take the sign of the middle and look for numbers that will take that sign and then give us the one in the middle. Are we fine? Good. Let's go to number C. Number C. And number C, I'm having x squared plus 3x minus 4. The last term now, it's negative. Let me make notes for you guys. So if last term is negative, then you have brackets with different signs. Bigger number will take sign of the middle term. Just write your notes for yourself very nicely. If the last number is negative, then you'll have brackets with different signs. Bigger number will take the sign of the middle term. Bigger number of your factors. So let's have a look here. So here I'm going to have 2 of my brackets. But since when it's minus, it means this will be x, and x factors of it's 4 and 1, and then 2 and 2. On this one, the bigger number is 4. This will be plus minus. This will be plus minus. Doesn't matter because they are both 2. So I'm looking for factors that will give me 3. So I see 4 minus 1, it will part 3. So it means it will be this one and this one. So this will be x plus 4, x minus 1. Now we find, guys, just like that. Let's do number D. Number D, I'm having x squared minus x minus 12. So it's minus, so I'll have signs that are different. The bigger number will take the minus sign of the middle term. So this will be x and x. Factors of 12, it's 12 and 1. It's 6 and 2. It's 4 and 3. And I always start with my factors because it's like 12 only 1, 6 only 2, then 4 only that 1. So that you're always on par. Now, it means the bigger numbers will take the minus. So the ones at the top, this one will be plus plus. So which one will give me minus 1? So it means my factors is x minus 4 and x plus 3. So I'll have x minus 4, x plus 3 as the answer. Are we together? You are done. You are done. Let's go to example 22. Factorize the following expression. Remember, when we factorize, guys, we always to check, do I have a common factor? So I'm having 2x squared plus 14x plus 24. I see 2, it's common, so I can take 2 out. I have x squared plus 7x plus 24 divided by 2 is 12. Yes. Now I can factorize this. I have x and x, it's positive, so it will be 12 and 1, 6 and 2, 4 and 3. And then they are all going to be positive because the last term is positive. It means your brackets will have signs of the same. They take sign of the middle, it's positive. So which ones gives you 7? It's this one. So you have x plus 4 and x plus 3. So this will be x plus 4, x plus 3. Number B, you have y cubed minus 10y squared minus 11y. I have a common factor y here. Take it out. I have y squared minus 10y minus 11. All right. Now I need factors of y. It's y and y. Factors of 11 is 11 and 1. Those are the only factors 11 has. The bigger number must take the sign of the middle. This will be minus plus. So that gives me minus 11 plus 1 impa minus 10. So bracket ke y minus 11 and y plus 1. Then you're good to go. Number C, I have minus a squared minus 3a plus 10. I have a factor here that is common. This is minus, so I can take minus out as a common. This will be a squared plus 3a minus 10, right? Then this is minus. Factors of 10 that can give you 3, and the sign is minus, so they will have bigger number will take the sign of the middle. So I'm having a and a, 10 and 1, 5 and 2. Those are the factors of 10. Put a here. Bigger numbers will be plus, this will be minus. Which one gives you 3? It's this one. So it's a plus 5 and a minus 2. So now you're going to have a plus 5 and then a minus 2. And then number D, you're having 12m squared minus 16m cubed minus 2m 4. What is common here? 2 is common, m squared is common. 6 minus 16 divided by 2, it's 8m plus, sorry, it's still minus, minus it's minus 2 and 2, it's minus 1, then m squared. Okay. Then kwala ntho sentle, abe kwala sentle, it's minus m squared minus 8m plus 6. Right? Now I can take minus out as a common again. I'll have m squared plus 8m minus 6. Good. Now factors of 6 that can give me 8, it's a minus. It's a minus, so I mean in the middle it's a plus. Good. Let's continue. So do I have such factors that can give me that person? Minus m squared 6. All right, cool. Let's check. I'll check. So I have m, and then I have m, then I have 6 and 1, I have 3 and 2. That will give me 8. I don't see any factors that will give me 8. Then let's check if we did our question correctly. So I took 2m squared as a common factor. Then that is 12, Kisalaka 6c, that is fine. And then okay, 12m squared minus 16m cubed minus that. I check it's really 2 out. Kisalaka 6, like 12 divided by 2 is 6c. 16 divided by 2, it's 8. And then 2 divided by 2, okay, 1. Good, so can only 6 minus m. Then I took the m squared, it's really m, it's really 2. Come on, it's salaka 1, and then ono salaka 8. Good, I did well. Then this is minus m squared minus 8m plus 6. All right, and then from there I took the minus out. It looks perfect. Everything looks fine, but I can't get factors. So 16, I'm finding 8. Everything looks perfect. So what are we having there? The question is minus 16m squared. Okay, example 22. I'm trying to check this example here. It's minus 16m squared. It's not the same. And then, yeah, so it means it's going to end here. Né? We don't have factors, so that's why I'm going to end. Example 22. Yeah. The other question that I'm seeing here, it's on the textbook. It says it's minus 16m squared plus 12 m3 minus 2m4. So they're not the same. This is the question that I'm seeing on the textbook. So it means this was an error one. So I'm going to task you to try that one that I wrote on the side, which is 16m squared plus 12m cubed minus 2m to exponent 4. Try to do that one, and then you let me know if you got it or you didn't get it. Yeah. Good. Now we're going to go to the exercise. Can you see the exercise thing? You can try this one. Then you can try this one again as well. Okay. But let's continue. I want us to get to a point whereby now you don't have like the more difficult one. Ne? So I'm having 10x squared plus 21x plus 9. Here I don't have a common factor. I don't have a common factor here. So what do I do in a case like this? So I'm having 10x squared plus 21x plus 9. We need to factorize this. How will we factorize this? So ke tlo ruta now, because now this value I say x alimonos ke 10x, and we can remove the 10 by factoring out again. So what you do here, you're going to multiply 10 over 9 or step 1. You multiply whatever that you're having the set last term. So you have x squared plus 21x, and then 9 times 10 okay, 90. Right. Now execute. So about the factors x and x, 90 ke 90 le 1 ke 45 le 2 ke 30 le mang le 3 ke 18 and 5 ke 6 sorry ke 15 le 6. Okay, all of them tlamehile plus. I can end there. I can also have 10 and 9, but yeah, already sorted. It's in pan 21. So pan 21 kiba ke x plus 15 le x plus 6, because I get the error ke kaya 21. So I'm going to put this as x plus 15 and then x plus 6. Then remember we multiplied again. Whatever answer that we got, we divide ka 10 divide ka 10 ke kaya x plus 15 divided by 10, it's 3 over 2, and then ona ke x plus 6 divided by 10 ke kaya 3 over 5. Now ke busetsa morago, ke tsa e ke multiply ka mo, so ke tlo na le 2x plus 3, and then ke tsa e ke multiply ka ke tlo na le 5x plus 3. So those becomes your factors. 2x times 2x or 10x squared, 2x that one or 6x, and then plus 15x plus 9. So this gives you 21x. If you want to check if it's correct, let's sharp again. Okay, number B, happy. Let's do what to make a ink. Do I have a common factor? No. So I have 15x squared plus x minus 6. So times this. This is going to be x squared plus x minus 6 times 15 over minus 90. Factors are 90 ke x le x, it's 90 le 1 ke 90 le 1 45 le 2 divided by 3 ke 30 le 3 and then go namang 5 ke 18 le 5 90 divided by 6 ke 15 le 6 divided by 7 by 9 ke 10 le 9. So because of its minus, the bigger numbers in the plus, because they take the sign of the middle again. It's in the minus. So 10 minus 9 in power 1. So it means it's going to be x plus 10 le x minus 9. So I'm going to have x plus 10, x minus 9. Okay. From there, get a divider. I multiply and divide by 15, 15. This will be x plus 10 divided by 15. It's 2 over 3. Then this will be 9 divided by 15. X is minus 3 over 5. Again. Then multiply. This will be 3x plus 2. And then this will be 5x minus 3. So factors that will give you that Kitsamon. Did I make sense? This is the one that most of the learners are struggling with. So you need to pay attention here. Factorize example 25. I factorize. I have a common factor here, 2. I take it out. It's like a 6x squared minus x minus 5. So I'm having 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. 6x squared minus x minus 5. So I multiply ka I get x squared minus x. Is it 30? 5 times 6, yes, minus 30. So it's x and x factors of 30. Get 30 le 1, get 15 le 2, get 3 le 10, get 5 and 6, you know? Yeah. 4 it's in again. So it's 5 and 6. The bigger numbers will take the sign of the middle, so banna di minus botle, by inna di plus. So which one will give you the combination of minus 1? Key. It's x minus 6 and x plus 5. Good. Now this is x minus 6, x plus 5. Remember we divide or multiplying in a 60. This will be x minus 1. This will be x plus 5 over 6. This one is sharp. You don't need to multiply. You multiply this one, you get 6x plus 5. And then you are done. So I'm going to end there with the trinomials. And then when I okay. And yeah, so we are still left with grouping that we have to do, but I can just show you an example, and then this will be if you group at then can say x like a plus b common key and then gamma plus y a plus b. Okay, then it's a plus b and then x plus y. So that's grouping for you. So you can try example number 27 on your own. And then, yeah, also here you're grouping. Grouping, and then there's the exercise for you. You can try. Then that will be all about Factorize. You can go and try, again, past papers now to check if you did understand these 5 lessons. Yeah, thank you.